Take this, hold this for a sec.
Golfing. Barnesy for the win.
Ah, beautiful.
Workout complete. So sensual.
Worst filming ever.
Beside the tree. To the left of the tree.
Oh yeah, I see
That is
it.
exactly where I meant to hit it.
Wow, amazing. Okay, let's go hit
You're
it.
gonna have tilted this is.
Nice.
I like it when they're soft and they sound like that.
Okay, you should get out of the way though.
36, 42, 47, 49, 5, 11, 26, 32.
Well, she got her daddy's car and she cruised through the hamburger stand there. See, she forgot all about the library like she told her old man there. And with the radio blasting, goes cruising just as fast as she can now. And we'll have fun till her daddy takes the T-bird away. Now the girls can't stand her cause she walks, looks and drives like an ace now. She makes the Indy 500 look like a Roman chariot race now. A lot of guys try to catch her, but she leads them on a wild goose chase now.